I get asked all the time, how long is this gonna last? When am I gonna feel normal again? When will my mental health come back? And there isn't a direct answer to that question because it depends on a few things. How long you've used the substance for, how much you've used the substance, how much you use when you use, and all those things play in. But the first part you're gonna experience is gonna be the depression and the anxiety and the restless legs and trouble sleeping, all right, and the shakes, and that's why detox is so important. And that's usually the first stage. And then the second stage is gonna be sleep starting to come back. You'll start to feel yourself again, but remember, the substances have completely hijacked your brain into thinking that the pleasure center, the euphoria, and the dopamine in your brain is naturally producing it, but it's not. The substance are. So you're starting to slowly come back at this point. And then ultimately, the third stage is where you're gonna start to feel a little bit better. You're gonna start to feel like yourself. You're gonna start to get some sleep. Maybe your bowels are gonna start to work normally again. You're gonna be able to start to retain things, start projects, finish projects, get up in the morning and stay awake all day. And then the final stage is where you start to feel like yourself again, right? And you start to experiencing that path of recovery that you're now working. But I also want to remind you of post-acute withdrawal, and that could last up to a year, depending on how much you've used and how long you've used. So give yourself some grace. Don't stop fighting, continue to take action, and the miracle will happen. I can promise you that.